Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on VIVO V50 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. And then you can click open and click OK and click on this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and click open permissions. Then select the AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. And now you can go back, then go back again and click start. And as you can see right here, there's my ChatGPT widget, and I can open it and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.